I'm generally a shy person. I don't like to get too much attention. If you're like me and don't enjoy being on camera that much or just exploring faceless YouTube video ideas, you're watching the right video. In this video, I will share with you the 7 best ways to make faceless videos with examples from my own channel as well as other popular channels. Mashup videos are videos which are made out of small bits and pieces taken from other people's videos. You can add your voice and or music and create various types of videos. It has a lot of potential because you can take pieces of videos and combine them in an entertaining, inspiring or informational way. Here is a popular channel called the Top 5 Central. This is a mash of entertaining lists. With over 3.6 million subscribers, these types of videos are doing really well. This is a good example of how to become a YouTuber without showing your face. Here's a different take on mashup videos from Be Inspired. This video has over 4.3 million views. As you can see, it takes footage from various sources and combines them together to form a unique video. I guess this might be a little bit on the grey side of copyright unless you can get everyone's permission to use their bit of video, but I've seen a lot of them on YouTube lately. Most of these videos come with their fair use statement in the video description. Screencasting is nothing but recording your computer or smartphone screen. These types of videos are also called screen capture or screen recording videos. If your videos are teaching people how to use a service, software, an app, or how to do stuff on their computer or phone, you don't really need to show your face at all. Here's an example from my own channel. These are no-face video ideas that I have used in my own channel. In this video, I give step-by-step details on how to create a free email capture page using MailerLite. So you see, you can record YouTube videos without showing your face. Moving on to the third one, slideshows are another way to make videos without your face. They are pretty similar to screen share videos, but with these, you will have a more coherent script as you will be browsing to pre-written slides on whatever topic that you are touching. When I create slideshow type of videos, I end up spending more time putting together the slides than on creating the video itself. In this example, I created a slide deck, then did a voiceover with a script to accompany the slides. Most of the videos I've created for this channel have included slideshows. That's how I managed to create faceless YouTube videos over these years. A gaming channel would allow you to play your favorite video games and get paid to do it without even being on camera. An example of a popular gaming channel is the Rad Band. With 9 million subscribers, all these videos are about various games and people seem to love it. It's again another good example of how to be a YouTuber without showing your face. Animation videos. Animation allows you to create incredible stories, comedy, and other forms of entertainment without having yourself or actors on screen. For an animation channel, check out OniNG to see example of someone who has been successful. Depending on your skill set, it might be time consuming to put together something like this, but they are highly engaging, shareable, and you don't need to be on camera. Actually, you don't need a camera at all. Whiteboard animation. Whiteboard animation is a video style that shows the viewer images being drawn on the screen, accompanied by a narration that walks the audience through the story. Here is an example. You don't need to draw this yourself. You can use a software like VideoScribe to create these types of videos. The next faceless video idea is music videos. If you have your own original music, then this type of video will work best for you. Instead of a full music video, use your album cover, picture or the band or something else as the visual. It's one of the best ways to make a faceless video. The Bart Stoop channel is an example of how you can create original music videos on YouTube without using any actual footage. When I started my YouTube channel, I didn't know how to record YouTube videos without showing my face. So I hope these no-face video ideas will help you be a successful YouTuber without showing your face. If you learned something new from this video, please give it a like. I upload videos every Saturday filled with actionable tips to grow your audience and income with video. Make sure you subscribe.